guys, it's your girl Cherish, and I'm here to cherish your life. And yes, your girl is back at school. I am back in Lincoln. Yesterday I moved in. I would have recorded the move-in video, but it was a lot of work. I was just focused on moving my stuff in because I had a lot of stuff. But for this video, I am going to be showing you guys a room tour, showing you everything I got and how I decorated my room. Everything I just said. This is going to be my first day back in Lincoln / room tour video. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have the room tour at the end, so make sure you guys watch all the way through. Before we get into today's video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I post. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at StyleMeCherish_, and stay tuned for my next video. I am going to be double uploading this week, so make sure you guys are on it. Hey guys, so I'm at Buzzard Billy's with Michelle. Say hey. This is our first time seeing each other in 6 months. Sorry, people are looking at me. Okay. We're going to probably just chill today, go downtown, take some flick. What did you order?
Blackened chicken Alfredo.
And then I got a barbecue cheddar burger. Right now I am on my way to work, but before I get to work I'm going to pick up my art supplies from last semester. And y'all, I cannot breathe with this mask on and walking to class. I don't know how I'm going to do it this semester. It's around noon. It's the next day. As promised, I told you guys I would show you a room tour, so here we go. That's gonna be a wrap on today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I post. Follow me on Instagram at @StyleMeCherish_, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.